What is going on? Back on the water with Raymond. No one else could come out. Fernando had to do overtime. We're here at Whitewater Amphitheater. Behind us they have music concerts, stuff like that here. During the winter you can park for free. We're going to be going to L&L. It's about a 4-mile paddle. Over at L&L it's $10 per car to park and then $2 per person to get out. So if you're interested in doing this stretch of the river, I will certainly put a map at the end. I will see you guys on the water. Oh, it's dry in here. I'm dry. It's not leaking. No leaks. Alright. I'm gonna get back in the yak. Any luck?
Been working all day for nothing but things in life.
Just that one right there?
You're a little finicky.
Well, best of luck to you, sir. He said he just lost one, like right as I was coming up to him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That thing's pretty sweet.
It's kind of deep right over here.
It is deep.
We could throw around here.
We should get on the shelf right here.
Oh, yeah.
Probably move on pretty soon.
How long was this trek?
4 miles. I don't know. I'm gonna check and see what our ETA is. We may need to paddle a bit.
Yeah, 'cause I feel like we're not moving at all.
It's
The water's not moving.
it's 2:54. We've gone like a fourth of the way. Oh man. That guy's driving around his Harley blaring that? That's embarrassing. That's super embarrassing.
Yeah. The engine draws off the side.
You can't just stop on the bridge.
I saw somebody do it earlier. I think it's like the thing to do.
This is super dangerous. How you doing? Any luck? Common theme today. I've heard no one say yes, so.
One person said yes.
Oh, really?
For a concert.
Are they lying? Did they look trustworthy?
Yeah,
Do we have to get out here? It looks like it.
yeah, it kind of looks like it.
It sounds dangerous. It would be cool if we could go down it, though. I'd much rather go down some pretty sweet rapids.
Yeah, I don't see any rapids there. It looks like a drop.
Yeah. Oh, we can go down right here. I think. Maybe not. Oh yeah, we can go down that. That's super easy. I guess it was shallower than I thought. I had no problem going through it. Got a little bit of water on that. got one.
We got a lot of water inside.
Yeah, it came over. I saw it come over your back right here. That's what happened to me too.
Okay, good. 'Cause I was thinking, I'm breached.
I got a hole. Well, this is the first time I've been in my kayak since Austin Kayaking Canoe got it fixed, and they did a stellar job. No water coming in, so. You got one?
Yep.
How long did that take?
I started at 10 a.m. I started a couple of, this is my first one of the day.
Oh, really?
Man.
This has been by far the best stretch. I tried a couple of other spots, and this is, I've had one hook up and missed, and then this is one. Oh.
Oh, sorry to jinx you.
Yeah.